everyone, I'm Captain Chris. Welcome aboard the Bella Lisa. What a beautiful day. You know, right now, it's October, and we're boating, and we're having an amazing time today. It is such a beautiful day. So beautiful. Look at how the sun is shining, the water is so calm. It's a perfect boating day. Right, Lisa?
Oh, beautiful out today. It's magnificent. What a day. Look at this. It's like a crystal clear, beautiful, picture-perfect day.
It really is. It's an amazing day because I have an amazing girl with me. And that's you, my beautiful Bella Lisa. I love you too, sweetheart.
I think we're going to go under the bridge soon.
Yes, we are.
My favorite part is going
I
under
love this bridge. This is so cool. But I love you more, Lisa. It's so romantic being on the boat together. I love it.
It's you. We're in paradise.
Hey, I got some gorgeous view right here. And that's you. You're so beautiful. That's my girl. My wife. Well, here's the bridge. I love this bridge.
Here we go.
This is the bridge to Osborne Island. Now, you have to go slow when you're going under the bridge. No wake. American flag flying proudly in the wind. All right, here we go. Under the bridge. Love this bridge.
Island Bridge. Here we go.
Osborne Island. Slow, no wake. So that means you have to go slow.
Look at this water.
It's so clear.
Like glass.
And yes, it's like glass. It's smooth today. It's a perfect boating day. Here we go under the bridge. I love it. Yay.
Yippee! God bless America!
I love that. I love my beautiful wife, Lisa. You can hear it when you go under the bridge and echo. Yeah, oh, we're great. The top is perfect. We just made it. The Bimini top made it underneath.
Wow,
Here's another pontoon boat coming. So we're going to speed it up a little. Here comes another pontoon boat. There's a lot of pontoon boats out here. They're really awesome. We love our pontoon boat. We named it the Bella Lisa. Here they go. Nice boat. They're going under the bridge also. She's on the huge lounge chairs on this boat.
Floating living.
That's right. It's awesome. What a day, what a day. Beautiful day. Out here on Mystic Island, New Jersey. Look at the water. So calm. Calm and peaceful, the water. And my American flag. I have two of them. I have two American flags on my boat. Now we're approaching beautiful homes that are on the water. So I go slow as I pass. It's important not to make a wake. That means a lot of waves. You don't want to do that. So I go very slow and I respect everyone's homes and their docks. Just beautiful. Look at these homes. Amazing. I love the flowers that people put in their yards. Just beautiful decorations. Just gorgeous. those American flags. Mystic Island is very patriotic, and you'll see American flags all over, especially on the boats. Very patriotic place. Love country, love America, and love God out here, let me tell you.